Hello all, welcome to Limitless Learning Series, part 53. So we are here at Dr. Archana's Aesthetic Dental Clinic and we have here beautiful Dr. Archana with us.
Thank you so much.
So, Archana, we have many parents who come and who ask us, कि ma'am, थोड़ा सा बच्चों को you give us, a little idea about dentists. We do have community helpers topics also in our school and curriculum. So there usually, we do introduce them how to brush your teeth and how to do that. But we want to hear more from you. What is the role of dentist exactly in child's, life?
Okay, so a dentist is a healthcare professional who generally helps you to take care of your teeth, your gums and your mouth. So the basic first most thing what you need to remember is the basic oral hygiene starts from brushing your teeth at early age only. So you should introduce brushing since the child develops their first milk teeth.
Okay.
That is actually at the age of 6 months. From 6 months you should use a mini small finger brush or maybe a cotton cloth to clean and wipe their teeth.
Okay.
So brushing twice and introducing good healthy oral health habits is very important for the kids. I have seen a lot of kids who come to us and the basic concern is they don't brush in the night.
Right.
So brushing in the night is very important. The reason being the saliva in the night is reduced and we are not drinking water whole night. So whatever we have eaten in our dinner, that is stuck between the tooth surface, and because we are not removing it with the brush and the toothpaste, that stuck food particles convert into bacteria and slowly start getting decay your teeth. So brushing twice is the first thing. Second thing, flossing if the kid is, after the age of 6 when they develop all the milk teeth, introducing flossing is also very important.
Okay.
And rinsing after every meal. These are basic things which a child should learn at their early age.
Early age, okay.
Yes,
So, they do say that, many parents, they say, I give my child chocolates a lot, but then, these are just milk teeth. So, doesn't matter if there is decay also. So, how do do parents or, kids, do they come with these concerns?
Definitely come. See, what happens now, the chocolates and sweets have a lot of sugar in it. Whenever they consume more of sugar, the bacteria which are there in the oral cavity, they react with the sugar. After reacting with the sugar, they produce some kind of acid.
Okay.
And that acid attacks on your tooth and the decay starts. So definitely they are kids, we cannot ask them to stop eating chocolates. It's their age to eat chocolates and everything. But excess of everything is harmful.
Okay.
I have seen a lot of kids come, all the teeth are spoiled, the back teeth are also gone. So if at the early age, though they are milk teeth, they'll fall off. But if at the early age they are spoiling their milk teeth, it overall hampers their growth. If they have decay, the chewing will become difficult. Once the chewing becomes difficult, they just swallow the food. So overall development get hampered because if the teeth are not good in condition. So I'll say, though they are milk teeth, they'll fall, but it is very important to take care of their milk teeth. Less of sugar. More of sugar is always harmful for overall health also and for teeth as well.
But then, they do say that, they'll be brushing their teeth after that. So, does it matter?
See, if you're eating chocolates and you have a habit of rinsing it immediately, at least it is not stuck on the tooth surface. But if it's excess in amount, you won't be able to, you are eating chocolate every half an hour, you won't be able to remove the complete layer, or you won't be able to brush after every half an hour.
True.
So that sugar will react with the bacteria and slowly when the decay will start, decay will become deep and you will not even realize also.
Right.
And once the child is not able to eat, the development is hampered. I have seen many kids, all the interiors are completely decayed. The most reason they drink milk in the night. That is also a first reason.
Really?
Yes. There is a term called as nursing bottle caries.
Okay.
That usually happens when you have a habit of drinking milk in the night. And as I said, the kids sleep for long hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours. All the milk is stuck on the tooth surface. Milk has a natural sweetening agent. All the night the milk is stuck on the tooth surface. The bacteria react with that milk and slowly teeth, they start getting your teeth. That rotting will spoil all your anterior teeth. So that term is called as nursing bottle caries.
Okay.
So for all the parents, I'll say, or all the kids, I'll say, those who have a habit of drinking milk in the night, that should not be there, because nursing bottle caries is a very, I'll say, common thing for the kids who have a habit of drinking milk in
It
the
is just
night.
like the bottles or
Bottle and breastfeed also. Till 2
okay.
years, it's all fine because they need for their development breastfeed and milk. After 2 years, if the kid has a habit of drinking milk with the bottle or even breastfeed, that should be slowly wean off. That is very important, especially at the age of 0 to 6 years when they have a habit of drinking milk in the night. Before sleep, the last thing what the child should have should be a layer of toothpaste and water rinsing with water. That's it. Nothing in between. After 2, till 2, definitely they are small. They need that feed, and that is important for their growth also. But after 2, it is advisable that they should not drink milk in the night.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Dr.
much.
Archana.
Thank
And we'll come back to you with more
Definitely,
questions.
definitely.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
so
Keep
much.
watching,
My
keep
pleasure.
learning.
Thank you so much.